Have you ever asked to download Adobe Flash Player when browsing a web page with a Flash video in it? Flash Player enables you to view interactive web content, like Flash video, games and animation in web browser. It usually happens when you browse the internet on a new PC or a portable device for the first time. Now, Adobe Flash Player is more than just a player. It delivers beautiful HD video, faster graphics rendering, and high performance on mobile devices and personal computers, and is designed to take advantage of native device capabilities, enabling richer, more immersive user experiences. After it download, you will enjoy these top new features: Stage 3D accelerated graphics rendering. Explore a new architecture for high-performance second and third GPU hardware accelerated graphics rendering by Adobe, which provides low-level stage third piece for advanced rendering in apps, and gives framework developers classes of interactive experiences. Native 64-bit support. Flash Player can now take advantage of native support for 64-bit operating systems and 64-bit web browsers on Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. Multi-threaded video decoding. Deliver live streaming and real-time interactive video with improved playback performance and increased frame rates of high bitrate content running on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Enhanced mouse controls and relative coordinates. Create immersive, panoramic games for new classes of content, including first-person games that take advantage of infinite scrolling, mouse lock, relative mouse coordinates, and right and middle click events.